Sometimes it's okay to not have to take everything in when you are traveling. There are times it's more important to enjoy each other's company, and that is the precious experience out of the whole trip. I took the romantic scenic train to Arashiyama. This is also a very popular train ride that you have to book way ahead of time. The train ticket is not that expensive. On the way there, the scenery is beautiful, but I, like many other passengers on the train, were trying really hard to get some good footage out of the ride that I feel like I was a little bit distracted from enjoying the view fully. My friend is a frequent customer at Arabic Coffee in Hong Kong, so we decided to make an experience out of going to the original location in Kyoto. Both the view and the coffee were great. Arashiyama is one of the must-visit tourist destinations in Kyoto, but neither of us were paying much attention to our surroundings because we were so busy trying to catch up on each other's life stories. My friend and I are both solo travelers. We have known each other since high school. We used to see each other every week when we were students. After college, we both moved around and traveled quite a bit. As she continues to make different continents her home, I decided to settle in Vancouver. Although we are geographically apart, we always manage to find time to meet up somehow, somewhere. This time meeting up in Arashiyama feels just like when we used to meet up for coffee back home. And then at the end of the day, we said our goodbyes and make plans for where to go for coffee tomorrow.